What is up, everybody? Emily here with I just realized I legit have like a necklace stand. Well, means I got some color. What is up, everybody? This is Emily with Travel and Ledger, and I'm here unpacking. Okay, this is my second attempt. I've tried to do like a packing for Vegas video, and it was just like too much information. So this is my second attempt. I figure if I unpack, it's more helpful because I will actually tell you what I actually used instead of just like putting everything together, if that makes sense. So here we go. This is the real life information. I'm telling it like it is. You know, I don't hold anything back. So, you know, sometimes we play into those like online purchases. So I got this. It's so cute, right? Like to put my swimsuits in and all. Yeah, there's nothing in there. I did not use that at all. Reality is at some point everything just ends up in a plastic bag. That's how I do it, guys. Oh, this is fun. Here's another epic fail. I was so excited to go to a pool party with my cowboy hat and I took it out of my bag. Yeah, fail. Don't worry, I'll fix you. We'll make it work again. Here's something that always works is a koozie, because you're always going to be drinking and it's good in the heat to keep it cool. So koozies, pack as many koozies as you want, because I can't tell you how many times that I left this one in my bag for some reason and I ended up having two more that were just leftovers in my purse. So every purse that I had a koozie in it. Welcome to that Ohio life. But it worked out good because I always had a koozie. Next we have our makeup. Of course, I used plenty of makeup. So always bring as much makeup as you want because you're always going to use it. Let's be real. It's Vegas, pool party, clubs, anything just like walking around. You're always going to want to have different kinds of makeup. So I would say if you're going to go overboard on anything, definitely go overboard on makeup. Like this kind of bag size, like don't go like huge, but like just stuff it. Like every color works in Vegas. Like color is everything in Vegas. So stuff all the colors in there you want. Another thing to always bring is your lady products. I don't need to show them on film. We all know what they look like, but bring them just in case. You never know when it's gonna hit. All right, now let's talk clothes. So here's the reality. If you want to, you can wear whatever you want. Like bring whatever you want, honestly. Like this time I packed a suitcase, so I went overboard because I was there for 8 days. So I was like, I am doing outfits every day. So I had my go to the pool outfit. I had my like chill in the room outfit, like after your shower kind of thing, or something to nap in. Then you're going to have your sleep clothes, of course. And then you're going to have your day outfit where you're just kind of like walking around. Then you're going to have your dinner outfit. And then sometimes you have a dinner outfit and a club outfit. Usually I tend to do my club outfit to dinner, but it depends what kind of outfit that you want to have. And then depending on what kind of club you're going to, it could be a pool party again. So you might have like a night pool party outfit and a day party outfit. It's really up to you, but I would say Vegas is the place to wear whatever you want to wear because people are wearing some like crazy stuff. People are wearing nothing. People are like fully covered. So like whatever you want to wear goes, trust me. So I'm not going to go through like everything I packed, but here's a couple of examples. This red dress worked really good. I saw Dead Mouse in this. So that was at Resorts World. So after that, we kind of walked around and posed with a bunch of different things. So this kind of like swanky dress is always good to wear for a club because you never know what there's going to be in the casino that you can pose with afterwards. Next, we have like a day look. So this was like just like walking around. It was a fun print and I wore it with shorts. And ladies, let me tell you, like the chafing is real for us thick thigh ladies. So I like these kind of shorts where they have a little bit of space. So, you know, they come down a little further. So there's no chafing area here. So just keep that in mind because it is humid in Vegas. For me personally, I like to bring sleep clothes like long and shorts. So like, because some of my friends like it freezing in the room. I don't like it freezing in the room. I just like a regular like room temperature. But some of them, they go crazy and it's like 50 degrees in the room. I'm not even kidding you. So I always bring long pants just in case because you don't want to be cold in your bed. That's like the worst. Like you're in the sun all day. Trust me, after you get sunburned like this, like you're not going to be wanting to like be freezing in the room. Like hot, cold, not a good look. If you like to work out, you're going to want to bring some gym clothes because the gyms in Vegas are awesome. Depending on where you stay, some of them are huge, some of them are real tiny. But either way, they all have enough equipment where anybody can get a really good workout in. And not to mention, if you like running the strip, you'll see so many people just jogging up and down the strip. And, you know, there's a lot of stairs. So it's a really good workout if you're looking for a workout. Also, keep in mind when you're walking, if you just want to walk, wear kind of sporty kind of clothes, because with the heat and everything, you're going to be like sweating, and especially going up and down the escalators, because guys, the reality is a lot of the escalators are not always running. So you're going to have to walk up and down unless you want to take an elevator, which has probably been pissed in by a homeless person. So it's not going to smell so good. So just be prepared. You're going to be walking a lot and going up and down stairs. Here's another example of something I wore at night because it does get a little chilly in the desert depending on what time of year you go. So I was just there this past month in May, and it was a little chilly at night. Once you get into the summer months, it's just hot all the time. But if it's towards the beginning of the year or towards the end of the year, you're going to want to wear maybe like a long sleeve or like pants and a shirt because it does get a little chilly at night. So I did find myself wearing this dress with the long sleeves, but it's like short. And then I also wore pants and a cute like tank top kind of thing. Again, in Vegas, this is the time to wear colors. So I wore a lot of like bright colors. This was actually something I wore to the pool. It was kind of like a sporty kind of look, but I'll show you a picture here. So you can kind of wear whatever you want to the pool party. Some people were just wearing like cover-ups. Some people were wearing like literally those like see-through things like with a sequence on it and just their bikini underneath. Like anything goes at these pool parties as long as you have a swimsuit on. Vegas is also the place to wear like a fun like crop top kind of thing with like no back. Dude, people like nipples are out in Vegas. I'm telling you, like wear whatever you want. For me, I like to wear these like pasties because I don't want all that showing. While packing, another hack that I have is to wear your airport outfit as like an outfit throughout the week. So for example, it was pretty chilly in Ohio before I went to Vegas. So I wore this t-shirt and some jeans, and then I also had a sweatshirt. Okay, so I can't find the sweatshirt. It must be in the wash or something. One day where there was like a sandstorm, so that next morning it was really chilly out. So I ended up wearing that around while we were kind of walking and getting breakfast and stuff. So keep in mind, always kind of have a sweatshirt or a sweater, just something light to keep you warm if it gets chilly. Here's something I got the last time I was in Vegas. It's actually a sun cap. So there's something about it that fights UV rays. I got this one at the Mirage, and they were selling it in their pool shop. So I saw that a lot in Vegas. Like a lot of the pool shops, they have these like SUV friendly, they have these UV light friendly hats that like block the sun. So I did not burn my head at all. Like the rest of me a little bit, but my head did not burn at all. All right, now we're starting to get into like the nitty gritty of my bag. So let's start talking about some bag stuff. Purses, really anything goes. I know like now the style is to wear like purses like this. I wore like a fanny pack kind of thing with one piece jogger outfit. So it was really cute. Here's an idea of what it looked like. But that was great for just walking around and exploring the strip. Again, with my plastic bags, I'm sorry, I'm just that person. Like after a while, I don't care. Like it's all cute and stuff when I first start out, but by the end of it, it just all gets thrown in a bag. Baby powder, as we talked about before. I also like to put this in my hair because after a while you start kind of sweating on your head. So this will like keep your hair kind of fluffy and give it a lot of body. We all know we need some bronzer with some, I keep saying SUV. I'm like combining SPF and UV in the same sentence. I'm going to edit this out, but SPF, things with SPF are your best friend in Vegas because that sun is everywhere. So make sure you put on the tanning lotion because this was actually from our last day just walking down the strip. I like to use body glitter when I go to the pool or when I go to a club. I'll put like the shimmer all over my body because I like to glow. Allergy medicine. It's dusty there, guys. She's dusty in Vegas. Let me just leave it at that. We've got extra nail polish. I've got vitamins. I take Flintstone vitamins, but it's good to keep your immunity up while you travel because you never know what kind of germs and things you're coming in contact with. I like body spray, so you always smell fresh. And always bring your lotion because some of the casinos don't give you body lotion or you're going to use so much that like you're just going to need body lotion. And to keep your tan, you need to stay moisturized or else you're going to peel. So lotion up. I also like to bring a handhold lotion on the plane because I get a little dehydrated. My face always gets dry when I travel. And from Ohio to Vegas, it's like a 4-hour trip. And of course we have our travel toothbrush. There's some makeup. I like zinc in addition to my vitamins. Going back next week, so just putting it all right back in the same bag. You also have baby wipes because got to take the makeup off, people. Deodorant is your best friend. Also, you could use this on your thighs for anti-chafing. You don't have to buy the fancy anti-chafing stuff. It's the same as deodorant, so travel tip. Fun story, always bring 2 pairs of shoes to Vegas because guess what happened to my nice silver ones that I have all these pictures with? They gone. They broke. Walked right out of them at the club. So I always bring 2 pairs just in case, or bring a pair of flats because after a while dancing for 3 days straight in heels, you're gonna like start blistering up. You're just not gonna want to deal with it. So don't be afraid to take your shoes off in the club, guys. Like, take your shoes off, relieve your feet. The things you come in contact with Vegas, like, there's showers. You could just shower them off. Who cares? Like, why be uncomfortable and get blisters in your high heels? If you want to dance, wear flats, wear dancing shoes. You could bring, like, flat, like, they let you in with these kind of things. Just take care of your feet because Vegas will rip them up. That's it for my suitcase. So now let's dive into the book bag. I've got my gambling purse with some zippers and things because all my change will go in there. I like to keep all my players cards in the top. That way it's like easy access when I'm walking around. And as you know, players cards are your best friends. So make sure you always sign up for players cards no matter what. They give you free play, free rooms. Like that's the key to being on a budget in Vegas. Extra charger. Always need lip gloss. There's some lip gloss in here and chapstick with SPF because you're going to burn, guys. Like in the pool, walking around, I like to put it like kind of all around. Like I'll do one of these, put it over here, put it here because this will stay on a long time. I want to like walk around with sunscreen because it's kind of annoying, but I just put chapstick on underneath my sunscreen and that helps me stay not burnt. We've got some extra masks. I've got my jewelry bag. Got a backup battery. I wear contacts, so always remember to bring a pair of glasses because sometimes it gets super dusty and your allergies are acting up and you just get red eyes, or you just need a break from the sun, so you wear glasses. You need sunglasses also. Don't forget your sunglasses or a hat because that sun is intense, guys. Some more of my fun shirts and my shorts I would wear to the pool. I definitely recommend putting an extra bathing suit in your backpack if you pack luggage because in case your luggage gets lost, the first thing you're going to want to do is jump in a pool. So always have a bikini in your book bag just in case your luggage gets lost. And then we have sandals. Got another cute like clubbing bag. Sunglasses, as I said. I feel like there's one other thing to tell you guys about. Let me think. Yes, I remembered. So here's the thing, guys. I talk about this all the time, but in case this is your first time watching one of my videos, Vegas has CVS. They have Duane Reade. They have places where you can buy the same things for the same price that you would buy here. If you're just booking like a cheap trip on Spirit or Frontier and you're just going with a backpack, it's not an issue. Like I know they're all fickle with liquids and all that, those kind of things. You can buy travel size when you get there. You can buy sunscreen when you get there. There's going to be one like within walking distance to your room if you're staying on the strip. Not like the pricing is not like upcharge or anything. You can buy all your alcohol at Duane Reade CVS. So Don't feel like you need to bring all this stuff in your book bag and like buy all this stuff. Like just buy it over there. You'll be fine. All right. Well, now that my room is a mess, time for me to do some laundry and figure out what I'm going to pack for my trip, because I'm going back next week. And you know, we can't be wearing the same outfits. So check them out on Instagram if you want, or check out some of my other videos from this past trip. I've got pool season updates, places I stayed, tips for the week, like whatever you need to know about Vegas, this is the place to check it out. I'm talking Vegas all month, so I will see you in those videos, and have a good one, and hope I see you in Vegas soon.